Greetings, my friends. This is Eddie from EddieRealty.com. Today we are walking here in front of the pool of Costa del Mar condominium just to show you where is located the unit 102. This is a ground level unit and is right in front of the pool. I will walk with you to show you how beautiful is this place. From here you get view to the ocean, and even from the parking you get view from the parking to the ocean. This is the main entrance of the condominium, and this is the balcony of the unit. Let's go in and I will show you. Any questions, doubts, or concern, always feel free to send me a text message or a WhatsApp message, and I will be more than happy to answer your questions or doubts. So entering here to the condominium, you will see here the two elevators, the stairs, and again, walking here, you can see two doors, windows. This is the unit. Wide open concept, living area, family room area here, and the kitchen area. We open the kitchen cabinets to show you that everything is nice, neat, and order. All the appliances are included. Hot water, cold water. And from the kitchen, you still have view to the ocean. So from here, from the living, from the dining, from the balcony, even from the stove area, you see the view to the water and to the pool. Here's the main bedroom. Here's the laundry room area. Here's the bathroom. And here's the second bedroom. So you get two bedrooms with the potential to make a third room on the living area if you want to close from one wall to the other, but I suggest to keep it open. 787-307-6673. This is Eddie from EddieRealty.com. If you're interested, please give us a call, send us a message, and we can be here at any moment, anytime, with an appointment. Thank you very much. Have a good day. Thank you.